G'day, it's Jason here. Today we're going to install a Studio Press City Living clothesline, wall mounted. So this particular line's 520 wide by 1.5 deep. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how easy it is to put on the wall and that basically anyone can do it. So what you need is the basic tools. First you need a masonry drill, 10mm for the wall plugs we supply with you, good spirit level, and a 13mm spanner or socket. So let's get started and see how easy it is to put up. So first of all, everyone asks how high should I put the clothesline? Well, the answer to that is typically 50 millimeters above your head of the normal user. So when we're putting the line up, another important thing is with the plugs we give you, they go through the stud like this, and when you drill, you'll see we'll drill through that as well. We don't recommend marking the wall and then doing it, because what can happen is your drill can drift and it can cause problems. So let me show you what I mean. So we're going to have the product this high, and we'll just line that up there. So that's the first hole, and what we'll do here is we'll just get our plug and put it through like this. Okay, can be a bit tricky. Okay, we've got that there. So then we put that through like that, and then as we can see that holds it nicely. Then we get our bolt that's been supplied, put that in, give it a bit of a push, and then basically just do it up like this. So as we can see, that's getting tight. So we'll tighten that up. And now we'll do the other side. Okay, so now we've got the first one in. This one we're going to put on. So what we're going to do is put our spirit level on the top, obviously. That'll determine how level we are. Then we get it nice and level. And again, drill through the line. Like so. Remove the spirit level. Then we get our plug, and again, we put it in through this side. Like so. Then we put our bolt in, tighten that up, and that's complete. That's nice and tight. So now that's tight. As you can see, that really took me a matter of minutes. Then we put two others in the bottom, of course, because it has four. And as we can see, our studio line's nice, secured, and ready to use at the right height. It's about 50mm above my head. So very easy to do, and good luck. Hope you enjoy your clothesline.